Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable dark mode for Google Discover on your Android smartphone. So let's dive right into it. Here are the 5 simple steps to activate dark mode for Google Discover. Step 1. Open your smartphone's settings. You can do this by searching for Settings in your apps or by pulling down the notification shade and tapping on the Settings gear icon. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Display. Step 3. Within the Display section, you'll find the option for Dark Mode. Click on it. Step 4. Now you'll see 2 options, Dark Mode and Light Mode. Choose Dark Mode and toggle the switch to activate it. Step 5. That's it. Your Google Discover feed should now appear in dark mode, providing a more comfortable and visually appealing experience. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode for Google Discover on your Android smartphone. Whether you're using your phone at night or simply prefer a darker theme, this feature can help improve your overall user experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy using Google Discover in dark mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day.